Welcome back people. Today in this video we will learn about the regex operator which stands for regular expression. So we already know we have a payments table with payment ID, name and points in it. So before going into regex, let's see what are the commonly used regex operators. So asterisks mean zero or more instance of a string preceding it, and a dot means any single character. A caret means matches beginning of a string, and a dollar matches the end of the string. A square bracket within which there are three character A, B, C, any character listed between the square brackets, and a square bracket with the caret sign, any character not listed between the square brackets. A range of character from A to Z within square bracket matches any uppercase characters or letters. The same for lowercase also, and a square bracket from 0 to 9 matches any digit from 0 to 9, and P1, pipe, P2, pipe symbol, P3. Alternation. It will check if any one of these symbol matches. So these are the most commonly used regex operators or expressions. So let's see these with an example. Regular expressions are extremely powerful when it comes to searching for strings. They help us to search for complex patterns. In regex, we use the caret sign to represent beginning of a string. Let's see how that works. But before that, unlike like operator, we don't have to specify the number of characters before or after a particular character to find out that character in a string. Let's see how that works. So we already know this query will give any string with L as its starting value and has any or no characters after that. So let's run this now. So we have one row with the name loan which starts with L and has three characters after that. So we will see how to do this using the regex. Here you don't have to specify the number of character before or after the letter L. So let's run this now. So as you can see, you will get everything with L in it. So loan and online payments. Online payment has L or as the third character, so that is also displayed. What if you want every name which starts with L? That's where the caret sign comes in. So we use the caret sign to define the beginning of a string. So we have a caret sign and L. Let's run this. So now we have only loan, and online payment is not here because online payment does not begin with the letter L. So now you would have understood the use of caret symbol. Next, we will see about the dollar symbol. The dollar sign means the end of the string. Let's see with an example. So here we said select start from payments where name, regex, transfer and a dollar symbol. This means the transfer should be the end of the string. So here we have a string wire transfer where transfer is the end of the string. When we have two or more characters and you want to find out if any of those match a string, then we use the pipe symbol, which is our third regex expression. So let's see how that works. Let's say you want to find out the string which has UP in it or AN in it. So when we run this, you will see every name with U and P in it. Here you have U and P. In this you have A and N. In this you have A and N. And in this you have A and N. You can also give more than two conditions or two characters to compare with. Let's say C or E. Now let's end this. As you can see, we have an extra one with C or E as starting characters. So here we don't have to specify percentage symbol or the underscore like we do in like operator. The name should have either UP or AN or CRE in order to be displayed as the output. We can also use a caret symbol here to specify UP should be at the beginning of the string, and a dollar symbol here, which means AN should be at the end of the string, and CRE as it is, which means the name should either start with UP or end with AN or has CRE in it. Let's run this. We have three columns, I mean three rows with one starting with UP, one has CRE in it, and one ending with AN. Let's say we want to find out every name which has an I in it. So the regular expression for that is I. So when we run this, we have every name which has I in it. And also want to find out the name which has P or W in front of I. So let's see how to do that. What we will do is use a square bracket and represent P and W in it. When we run this, we get UPI and wire transfer. We have P in front of I in UPI and W in front of I in wire transfer. That is why these are being displayed. The square bracket can also be added after. So like this, say R and T, and run this. We have three rows which has the debit has T after I, credit also has T after I, and wire transfer has R after I. If we want to check if we have a character, let's say in a range of A to Z, instead of typing A, B, C, D all the way to Z, you can write it as A to Z. Or if you want to check if a character is A to U, you can write it as A to U. So let's run this. So we have every row which has the character A to U, X to Z, and run this. We have only one row which has Y in it, so we have only one as output. You can also use a letter before or after this. So let's say M and let's go. We still have payments where we have Y before M. So I guess you would have understood regular expressions. Thank you for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe to Supporting Tech.